Okay, just think this through, Todd. That's all you got to really do.
It's not as hard as you think, yeah? You're looking at the windsock, yeah? Remember what your feet are for. They're to keep your body on that centre line. So you don't forget to use them. Because as you slow down, you're going to need more rudder than
Yeah, because
for the same job, aren't you?
you don't have the same control.
Yeah. Now see the trees blowing?
Yep.
So keep your speed up, mate. Keep the speed up. Point it down a little bit. And trim is required. That's it. That's good.
A little bit low, bearing away.
Oh no, you don't have any lower. That's good.
Yeah, traffic light 1 Marco,
Okay. That's it. Now you can just aim it down at the threshold. Aim it down. Your ground speed will be slow. Yeah? That's the way. Just use your feet. Now you can go power off. Don't get high. Try not to pump it. Just hold it there on the runway and wait. Just keep waiting. We're high. Okay, bit of power. They'll take it, mate.
Okay. That's all yours.
I got it. I've got the speed bump. There we are.